Welcome to Jajya Midi. Introduction. In this video we shall share all questions and answers about Bitcoin and its history. Just stay tuned in as we continue. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin was invented in 2008 by an anonymous person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and started in 2009 when its source code was released as open source software. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. Bitcoin is described as a cryptocurrency because it uses cryptography to secure its transactions. What is cryptography, and what is blockchain? Cryptography is a type of math that is used to encode and decode data. The data that is encoded is typically a message or transaction. This encryption is used to make it difficult to read or to track the data. Blockchain is the technology that underlies Bitcoin. It is a distributed database that allows for secure and transparent transactions. Blockchain is a tamper-proof, decentralized ledger that is used to record all Bitcoin transactions. How does Bitcoin work? All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger, called the blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized, tamper-proof record of all Bitcoin transactions. Every 10 minutes, a new block is added to the blockchain and all Bitcoin transactions from the past 10 minutes are recorded on that block. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a process called mining. Miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in return. This provides a clever way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. The Bitcoin network is designed to automatically adjust the difficulty of the math problems, so that a new block of Bitcoins is mined every 10 minutes on average. The benefits of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a number of benefits that make it attractive as a currency. These benefits include 1. Decentralization. Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it a truly global currency that can be used by anyone, anywhere in the world. 2. Security. Bitcoin is secured through cryptography and each transaction is verified by the network. Bitcoin is also transparent, as all transactions are recorded on the blockchain. 3. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain are public and can be viewed by anyone. 4. Universal. Bitcoin is also a global currency, which means it can be used by anyone, anywhere in the world. The benefits of Bitcoin are not just limited to the above the list endless. By the way, I want to thank you for choosing this video to watch. My request to you is that you subscribe and like so we can get our information out to more people. The risks of Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin has a lot of benefits, there are also some risks. The most important risk is volatility. The price of Bitcoin is very volatile and has been known to swing up and down by large percentages. This volatility can make it difficult to use Bitcoin as a currency, as the value of a Bitcoin can change significantly from one day to the next. What Bitcoin can be used for? Bitcoin can be used to purchase goods and services online. A Bitcoin wallet is used to store the Bitcoin for later use. Bitcoin can also be used as an investment and make profits when the value of Bitcoin rises. Bitcoin is also used to make anonymous payments to people to hide the identity. Thanks very for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, you can share with us in comments the topic you want us to cover and we shall ASAP cover it. Jajya Midi.